Is Windows failing to load because of the Ftsrch Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. While preparing the manual steps for Ftsrch library, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the Ftsrch library, the full text search library core. It provides unmanaged routines for indexing and searching text within compiled HTML help.ehm and legacy database files. It facilitates the orchestration of index manifests to provide high-speed data link retrieval. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This is a Windows integrity issue involving a protected system file. Use an administrator command prompt to run sfc/scannow and allow Windows to automatically repair files like Ftsrch Library DLL. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Ftsrch library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Be aware that manual interventions for Ftsrch Library DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining Ftsrch library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Ftsrch library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.